to Futuelink channel. In this video, you will know how to connect Telegram bot with Futuelink. Log into your account. In dashboard, click on Telegram notifications. Now go to Telegram and search for Futuelink bot. After opening Futuelink bot, click on Start button. Then it will ask for the code. Copy the code and send. After that, you will receive message that your account has been paired successfully. Here you can ask a lot of questions like login logs, your packet history, payout request, my statement, my invoices and tickets and a lot more. Now your account is connected with Futuelink bot. Now whatever you do in your account, like when you send credits or when you log in or when you log out, you will be receiving messages here. It will notify you. If you get any problem, you can contact us with email and WhatsApp number.